However, part of making it Matan is making it like we were never there. And for whatever reason the owner ever messes that boat up again and crunches that rub rail section, someone goes back in there to fix it, they'll never know we were there. Okay, back to the interior. Keith laminated the settee and the sink basin sections back together outside the boat. We then moved that section inside the boat, temporarily screwing it in place. Keith and Joe again teamed up just as they did in that inner liner and laminated the back side of the sections with multiple layers of 1708 tabbing.